So in case of dog, femur, you can see in case of dog there is no third trochanter. You can see third trochanter is absent in case of dog. Okay. Then one more thing which is absent is supracondyloid fossa. Here you can see, like cattle, there is no fossa in this position, that is supracondyloid fossa. Means supracondyloid means supra to the condyles. So condyle, above the condyles there is no supracondyloid fossa in case of dog. And next thing, in this case you can see there is lesser trochanter which is tuberculous. This lesser trochanter is tuberculous in appearance, and each condyle at the posterior aspect of the distal end presents a bone that is called fabula. So means each condyle distal end, you can see here facets are present for the attachment of sesamoid bone. That is two sesamoid bones, fabulae, that is called fabulae, which is present on the posterior aspect above the condyles, and patella is present at the anterior aspect along the attached with the trochleas. So this is the differentiating feature in case of dog. Now pig. So you come and see in case of pig. So differentiating feature in case of pig, you can see bone is well built, you can see highly developed bone, but the head is, in this case head is more curved. You can see head which is more curved. Trochlear ridges are of equal length or equal size, means trochlear ridge. This is the trochlear ridge which is up to here only, not very long like cattle. Then greater trochanter does not extend above the head. Here you can see, and in this case also third trochanter is absent in the femur. So third trochanter is absent in this case also. Then come to the fowl. So in case of fowl, what is the differentiating feature? The fowl, you can see the bone is curved. You can see here the bone is curved, bent along the length, and head is comparatively small and rough. Only greater trochanter is present, means lesser trochanter is absent in case of fowl. Okay, and trochlear ridge are widely apart. Here also trochlear ridge are widely apart, means this part. So this is about it, all about the femur. Okay.